Hello guys, welcome back. Let us see how to fix no sound problem in Telegram. Let's get into the video. First open Telegram and go to your profile. You may see like this. Click on notifications and sounds. You may see like this. Turn on in-app sounds and turn on in-chat sound. Or now, close the Telegram. Now, open settings. Click on apps and open Telegram settings. You may see like this. Now click on Force Stop. Now, click on Storage and click Clear Cache. Like this you can fix no sound problem in Telegram. Do subscribe for more content.
Video.